Yeah. So we got our salad, y'all. Spring mix, strawberries, blueberries, cucumber, tomato, some grilled chicken, some dried cranberries, some almonds, some pecans. Did I say strawberries? Strawberries, chicken, and feta cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette. The kiddo did a quick review. I'm gonna post as well. But he wasn't like prepared or prepped or whatever to be on camera. It's okay. Alright, strawberry, chicken. I got all of it. Chicken, strawberry, blueberry, greens. Oh, some avocado. Yeah. Bro. Put a bomb salad together. That's and then we had a little lamb. Yeah. Any comment, y'all? Drop recipe name idea. Okay, I'm gonna say like a springtime chicken. A springtime berry salad with chicken. You know what I'm saying? A play on it. I be rewatching my videos, y'all, but I be reposting them. Some people be like, I couldn't deal with all that smacking, y'all. But I noticed, like, it depends on what I'm eating. Like, all my videos, it don't just be me smacking and shit, y'all. It really do depend on what I'm eating. As far as, okay, if I'm snacking or not. I won't drown it out too long, y'all. Blueberry pecan, chicken, cucumber, tomato, chicken. No. Cranberry. Strawberry. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna put this short, but y'all been good. Um, y'all know I eat everything. I'm a meat eater. I eat meat. I eat meat veggies. I eat carb. I mean everything. I eat everything. So, eating healthy, y'all, can still taste good. I'm smashing. Put blueberry on there. As you can tell, I like fruit and nuts in my salad. What you do? What you get for her? Just be good to me. Mm-hmm. 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 I don't care about the other girls. Just be good to me. Well, dang gosh, you know me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. Let me see y'all for the next one. If we try the recipe, the way I mean, if you try the salad mix, drop a comment, let me know. Or if you just like it, just comment for me. I like talking to y'all. So, comment. We'll see y'all for the next one. Good night.